Imagine having the power of an advanced smartwatch, the seamless control of a magic wand, and the most sophisticated health tracking technology in the world, all wrapped discreetly around your single finger. For years, the idea of an Apple smart ring felt like a tech myth floating around the patent office. But suddenly, the wearable landscape has completely shifted. With competitors launching their own smart rings and dominating this new space, Apple is no longer just watching from the sidelines. The Apple Ring is making massive headlines, and the authentic leaks we are seeing for late 2026 are absolutely game-changing. We are talking about non-invasive health sensors, mind-bending gesture controls for your entire Apple ecosystem, and a design so sleek it makes traditional wrist wearables look like ancient history. Are we finally going to see the Apple Ring drop soon? And more importantly, will it be worth your hard-earned cash? Let us dive deep into the real story, the verified patents, and the genuine leaks surrounding Apple's most secretive project yet. Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your premier destination for the deepest dives into the cutting-edge future of technology. If you want to stay miles ahead of the curve on all things tech, smash that subscribe button, and let us get right into the ultimate breakdown of the Apple Smart Ring. To truly understand the Apple Ring, we have to look at the massive tug-of-war behind closed doors in Cupertino. For a long time, insiders reported Apple had put their smart ring project on ice. Why release a ring that could cannibalize the Apple Watch, a product dominating the global industry and generating billions? But the tech world moves fast. With rivals like Oura and Samsung proving there is a massive market for screen-free wearables, Apple cannot afford to sit this one out. Supply chain insiders and recently granted patents paint a very different picture. Apple has not abandoned the smart ring, they are quietly perfecting it. A smart ring serves a completely different psychological purpose than a smartwatch. Not everyone wants a glowing screen buzzing on their wrist while trying to sleep or dressed for a formal evening. The Apple Ring is engineered for those who want invisible technology. It is about maximum utility with zero distraction. Let us talk about what this device will actually look and feel like. You can expect the Apple Ring to be an absolute masterclass in extreme miniaturization. Leaks and patent blueprints suggest a premium aerospace-grade titanium chassis. This makes the ring incredibly lightweight, yet tough enough to withstand daily wear, heavy gym sessions, and accidental drops. It will likely launch in classic Apple finishes like silver, space black, starlight, and rose gold to match your iPhone and MacBook. But the design is not just about looking good, it is about hidden functionality. Patents reveal Apple is experimenting with an innovative outer band that might be touch or pressure sensitive. Imagine gently swiping your thumb across the smooth surface to scroll through a web page, or tapping the side to pause your AirPods. The patents specifically describe advanced haptic feedback. When you get an urgent text, instead of a heavy wrist vibration, you get a subtle, private tap right on your finger. Imagine walking into a premium coffee shop, grabbing your morning espresso, and simply tapping your index finger against the payment terminal to complete the transaction. No pulling out your wallet, no fumbling with your heavy smartphone, and no awkwardly twisting your wrist to align your smartwatch to the scanner. With a custom-designed, ultra-secure NFC chip embedded right into the sleek titanium band, the Apple Ring will seamlessly integrate with Apple Pay, making contactless transactions more effortless and magical than ever before. It is the absolute pinnacle of everyday convenience, turning a basic daily task into a seamless, futuristic interaction. Now, let us get into the real reason you will want this ring on day one: revolutionary health tracking. Sleeping with a bulky metal and glass watch strapped to your wrist is annoying for many people. It gets caught on sheets and often needs charging right when you wake up. This is exactly where the Apple Ring takes over. Because a ring sits flush against the densely packed blood vessels in your finger, the biometric data it collects can be significantly more accurate than a wrist tracker. The Apple Ring will feature advanced sensors for continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, body temperature variations, and highly detailed sleep staging. Furthermore, there is a potential holy grail feature Apple has been chasing for a decade: non-invasive glucose monitoring. Recent patent filings hint at optical sensors capable of measuring biometric data without breaking the skin. If Apple puts even a basic version of blood sugar monitoring into this ring, it instantly becomes a life-saving device. Furthermore, durability is a massive factor for a biometric device meant to be worn 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Apple absolutely knows you are not going to want to take this ring off every single time you wash your hands, do the dishes, or jump into the swimming pool. Industry leaks strongly suggest a highly advanced water and dust resistance rating, potentially allowing you to dive deep into the ocean or take a scorching hot shower without a second thought. Combined with a rumored scratch-resistant microcoating over the titanium shell, this smart ring is being purpose-built to survive your rugged daily life while seamlessly maintaining its flawless, premium aesthetic over the years. But health tracking is only half the story. The real superpower of the Apple Ring is the seamless Apple ecosystem. Other companies make great smart rings, but they lack the integrated magic Apple possesses. The Apple Ring is designed as a universal, invisible remote for your digital life. Thanks to a built-in ultra-wideband chip, the ring will have hyper-precise location awareness. If you misplace it, you can track it down using the Find My app. Walk up to your Mac, and it unlocks instantly. Then there is the Apple Vision Pro integration. Navigating virtual reality currently relies on the headset's external cameras, which can struggle in low light. The Apple Ring will serve as a permanent, ultra-precise motion tracker. With built-in accelerometers and gyroscopes, it will communicate your exact finger movements to the Vision Pro headset with zero latency, transforming your hand into the ultimate spatial controller. So, when can you actually get your hands on it, and how much will it cost? High-end smart rings typically sit in the $300 to $400 range. Industry experts expect the Apple Smart Ring to launch somewhere between $300 and $500. But here is the massive advantage Apple holds. Leading competitors often charge a mandatory monthly subscription fee just to see your personal health data. Apple has historically never charged a subscription for the core Apple Health app. Providing premium sleep and fitness data completely for free will be a lethal blow to rivals. Plus, because a smart ring lacks a power-hungry screen, the Apple Ring could easily boast a battery life of 7 to 10 days on a single charge. As for the official release date, supply chain whispers point to a late 2026 or early 2027 launch window. The Apple Ring represents a massive shift toward invisible, ambient devices that quietly enhance our lives. Whether you want the ultimate sleep tracker or a magical remote controller, it is shaping up to be the most exciting wearable of this decade. Would you ditch your Apple Watch for a sleek Apple Ring, or wear both? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Vibe. Hit that like button, share this video, and make absolutely sure you are subscribed so you never miss out on the future of technology. Keep riding the wave of innovation, stay curious, and we will catch you in the next video.